Is your garage door struggling to open, making strange noises, or not responding consistently? These could be signs of a failing motor. A properly functioning garage door motor should lift and lower the door smoothly. Delays or inconsistent movement might mean the motor is wearing out. Unusual noises like grinding, buzzing, or rattling can indicate mechanical wear and tear. Squealing might suggest a lack of lubrication. If your garage door stops midway or reverses without reason, it could be a major red flag pointing to a failing motor. When your garage door doesn't respond to the remote or wall switch, the motor might be the culprit. Check batteries and wiring first. A burning smell near your garage door opener is a clear sign of motor failure. Overheating can lead to total motor breakdown. If your garage door opens partially and then stops, the motor may not be generating enough power due to worn-out gears or electrical issues. Most garage door motors last 10 to 15 years. If yours is older, it might be time for a replacement. Routine maintenance like lubricating moving parts and inspecting for loose connections can extend the lifespan of your garage door motor. Recognizing the warning signs early can save you from unexpected breakdowns. Upgrade to a newer model with smart features for better efficiency and safety. Visit us in the Arlington, Texas area